Need to program a new or replacement key fob for your Mazda CX-9 from 2007 to 2024? This section will guide you through it. Key fob programming involves syncing the fob with your car's immobilizer system. There are two main methods. The basic ignition cycle method involves turning the key to the on position multiple times and pressing the fob buttons. Advanced methods include using the My Mazda app for digital keys or dealer tools. Most CX-9 owners can program fobs at home, but 2024 Plus models might require an already programmed fob due to stricter anti-theft measures. This process typically takes 5 to 15 minutes. If you're running into issues, it's best to consult the vehicle's manual. To program your key fob, close all doors and cycle the ignition from off to on 10 times within 10 seconds. Then press the lock/unlock buttons on the new fob. Start the engine to confirm successful programming. Make sure you have a compatible fob and that your vehicle is in Learn mode. Remember, your CX-9 can only handle a limited number of programmed fobs. A common mistake is incorrect timing, which can lock you out of your car. Mazda uses rolling codes and encryption to prevent hacking. If DIY fails, Mazda dealers offer smart programming services using OBD2 tools. Consider using a digital key instead of physical fobs in the future, with services like Apple Wallet and Google Pay.